I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself logged out of your Rogers account, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Rogers login page. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once on the login page, click the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. This will take you to the password reset page. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Rogers account. Make sure it is the correct one, otherwise you won't receive the recovery email. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Rogers with instructions to reset your password. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click the link in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and memorable. If you accidentally enter the wrong email, you might have to repeat the process. Just double check your input to avoid delays. I hope this helps you get back into your account quickly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.